my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a new video for you where I'm doing some home updates on my banquette seating. I hope you enjoy. This is my breakfast area. Now, if you want to see how I did a DIY on this area, I'll leave a video linked for you down below. Now, please forgive my voice. I'm a little under the weather at the moment, guys, but I wanted to get this voiceover done for you. Today, I'm going to make over my banquette seating, and I'm covering it in some new fabric. I decided to take away the blue and white check and add this beautiful antelope fabric, which is from Etsy. Now, taking some self-adhesive spray that I picked up from Spotlight, I just simply cut out off camera the fabric and attached it to the foam. Now, something else that I wanted to add to the wall here in this area was these beautiful barn lights that I picked up from Amazon. Now, without installing them with an electrician, I love the hack guys where you use the puck lights and the little screws that you can pick up from Bunnings, and I use the Gorilla Glue to glue these together, and you instantly have lighting. Now, I also wanted to change out the shelving in this area, guys. Rather than have it white, I wanted to stain it a timber stain. So we headed to Bunnings and bought some of this premium pine. Now, after my husband cut them to size for me, I then gave them 2 coats of stain. So my husband then removed the old shelf.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy.
Now, after we remove the old shelf and the brackets, we run into a little bit of a problem.
We used to be so strong.
Now, I had purchased these bookends from Spotlight, and they were only $19.95 a set, guys, and I thought they'd be perfect for what I had in mind to use as the brackets. Now, when I gave them to my hubby to start drilling them into the wall, we realised they actually weren't made out of pine, but they were actually made out of resin, which made it so hard to put them to the wall. We ended up securing them to the wall with some liquid nails and used these clamps to hold them in place while they dried. You know, you'll notice here that we were using different bookends as well. We were trying different ones out, but we decided on the smaller ones. Now, I recently picked up this beautiful sign from Overstock, and I really love this sign, guys. I love the fretwork detail, and it was the perfect fit to go above my shelf. Now, I added 2 of these beautiful topiary plants either side to the sign, and they are from TK Maxx. Now to that wall on the left hand side, I use this beautiful artwork, which is a DIY, guys, where I used a Kmart frame and some peel and stick wallpaper from Etsy. I then started to add some of my favourite cushions to my bench. Now on my dining table I wanted to keep it really simple. I started by adding this beautiful rustic tray, which is from Early Settler Furniture. I then added my hobnail vase from Kmart with my DIY flower arrangement. So guys, I'm really loving that farmhouse style of decorating at the moment. I love anything rustic, I love fretwork, and I'm really happy that I persevered and used those bookends as the brackets for the shelf.
Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day.
Now, if you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to share my DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. Now, I upload every Sunday morning at 8:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So I'd love for you to tap your notification bells so you'll be aware next time I upload a video. Don't forget you can also follow me over at Instagram and at TikTok, guys, at Chelle's Glam Home too. So I hope you have enjoyed the video, guys. I hope you're all having a wonderful Easter weekend, and I'll see you all next week for another video here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all then. Bye, guys.